Last Friday, I get a call about 10 a.m. in the morning from one of my friends that is working on his album. He tells me that he is going to the studio and at 6 p.m. he is going to record 2 of the songs that I produced for him. So he needs for me to separate the music for him so he can save some time. I said, cool, I got you. So around 3 p.m., I decided to go ahead and get started on separating the songs that he was going to record that night. As I walked into my studio, I started thinking to myself, where did I save those 2 beats on? They might be on a floppy disk or a zip disk. I know for a fact one of them is on a zip disk for sure, and that was the one I found first, which took me about 15 minutes to find. After I separated that beat, it was time for me to look for the second beat. This is when the problem came into play. The main part of the sample that I was using was not on the floppy. My drum machine was telling me missing file, not found. I was like, what? I know that sample has to be on here. But I know for a fact I only used 1 floppy to save this beat on, I think. So I had about 75 floppy disks I had to go through to find the second floppy that went with the first one. I took about an hour to go through all of these disks, and as I got to the last floppy, there was the lost sample and the beat loaded up. I didn't know what I was going to do if I couldn't find that sample. The only other thing I could have done was to look for the record I used for that sample, and that would have been another nightmare ready to happen.